Hi, while I'm starting you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your reactions help my channel. Thank you. I'm here at the old firehouse. My neighbor's old barn burned down last year. So I found a very interesting burned beam here. It looked very authentic and beautiful. At first I thought I should probably clean it up a little bit from the charcoal and ashes. I used a metal brush to do that. And then I took the simplest water-based acrylic varnish on wood to secure the foil over the charcoal, so that the charcoal will not be stained and will not stain your hands. And also to keep it from getting wet, I soak everything very liberally in several coats. Then I decided to make a stand. It's an ordinary piece of wooden board. I sawed it off to make a square. drilled holes for self-tapping screws and screwed to the coal. And then the most interesting thing. I took a whole wire with a bulb from an old floor lamp and attached it all to an old nail in the burned beam. I do it with hot glue. It's no big deal. In my case, it's more of an idea test. Turn it on, and you get an interesting contrast. Add a light filter on top of the lamp and we get a charred surface that looks like it's still burning. It's very beautiful and atmospheric. I advise you all to try to do this. Later I will redo the backlighting and make it hidden. But I already like this product. Thanks for watching.